Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll discover why many students got very simple algebraic expression wrong, and you also learn the correct way to simplify this expression using PEMDAS. Now, many students see this question as here 8 minus 2 to the power of 2, that gives 4, when multiplied by 8 plus 4 divided by 2 more 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. When again they consider this 8 minus 4, that gives 4 multiplied by into 8 plus 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. When next they consider this, now 4 multiplied by 8 plus 4, that gives 12 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. And again, the multiply this out, 4 multiplied by 12, that gives 48 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. And again, they consider this 48 divided by 2 to the power of 2, that gives 4 multiplied by 3. And again, they consider this division here. Now 48 divided by 4, that gives 12, then multiply by 3. Lastly, they consider this multiplication. 12 multiplied by 3, that gives 36. But this very answer is wrong. And as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. To get this right, we are going to have this 8 minus 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 8 plus 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. Right here, we are going to consider this rule called PEMDAS. This order of operation called PEMDAS. We have here PEMDAS. Now first, in this expression, we have parentheses, we have exponents, we have multiplications, we have division, we don't have addition, we have subtraction. But now from this PEMDAS rule, we are going to first of all consider parentheses right here. We are going to simplify the term inside the parentheses first. Therefore, we have here 8 minus 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by, inside the parentheses we have here 8 plus 4, that will give us 12. Now divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. Then next, we are going to consider the exponents. We are going to simplify the exponents here. Now we have here 8 minus 2 to the power of 2, that gives 4 multiplied by 12. Then here divided by 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4 multiplied by 3. And again, we are going to consider here, we are going to consider multiplication. Note quite alright that multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the operation is from left to right. Then as such, we are going to consider multiplication first, because in this case, multiplication is of higher priority than division and subtraction. Then right here, we are going to have 8 minus 4 times 12, that gives us 48, then divided by 4 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. And again, we are going to consider division now, because at this point division is of higher priority than multiplication and then subtraction. Therefore, we consider division. Consider division now, and we are going to have 8 minus 48 divided by 4, that gives us 12, then multiply by 3. And again, we are going to consider multiplication here because multiplication is of higher priority than the subtraction, and we are going to have is 8 minus 12 multiplied by 3, that will give us 36. And lastly, we consider subtraction. We have 8 minus 36, that gives us minus 28. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, we are going to consider another example still on this. For instance, if we have into 12 minus 3, then plus 27 divided by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. Now, this given expression tricks many people all over the internet. Now, since following this order of operation called PEMDAS, let me write it out here. We have PEMDAS. Now, first, we are going to consider parentheses. By simplifying this term inside the parentheses, now we have here 12 minus 3, that gives us 9, plus 27 divided by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. Then again, see from this row, we are going to consider exponents here, and the expression becomes 9 plus 27 divided by here 3 to the power of 2, that gives us 9 multiplied by 3. And again, we are going to consider this order of operation. Consider this. We are going to first of all consider division, because division is of higher priority than multiplication in this case. Note that here multiplication, addition, and division have the same precedence, and the operation here is left to the right. We move from left to the right. We consider the one that comes first. Then right here we have 9 plus 27 divided by 9, that gives us 3, then multiply by 3. And in this case, we are going to consider multiplication because multiplication is of higher priority than addition, and the expression becomes 9 plus 3 times 3, that gives us 9. Then lastly, we consider addition. 9 plus 9, that gives us 18. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, we are going to consider the next example here. Now, for instance, we have 8 plus into 7 plus 9 divided by 2 to the power of 2 into 5 minus 1 to the power of 2. Now, how are we going to simplify this? Since following this PEMDAS rule, now in this given expression, we have here, we have parentheses. Then right here, still following the order, we are going to first of all simplify this parentheses out first. Now here, we are going to have here 8 plus 7 plus 9 here, that should give us 16, then divided by 2 to the power of 2. Then in parentheses here, we have multiplication here. There's multiplication here. 5 minus 1, that gives us 4, then to the power of 2. And next, from this order of operation, we are going to consider exponents. The next order, we are going to consider the exponents. Then this expression becomes 8 plus 16 divided by 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4, multiplied by 4 to the power of 2, that gives us 16. Then next, see following the PEMDAS rule here, we are going to first of all consider division. Know that at a set area, multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the order is from left to the right. Now we consider the one that comes first here, and the expression becomes 8 plus 16 divided by 4. That gives us 4 when multiplied by 16. Then next we are going to consider multiplication, because multiplication is of higher priority than addition, and we have 8 plus 4 times 16, that gives us 64. And lastly, we consider addition. 8 plus 64, that gives us 72. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. We have this. The correct answer here is 72. Now last, we're going to consider another one example still on this. For instance, we have 5 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2. Sorry, we have 5 here. We have 5 minus 4 to the power of 2 into 2 plus 3, then divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. How are you going to go about this? Now first, still following the order of operation, this PEMDAS row here first, we have parentheses here. We need to first of all consider the parentheses. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5, 2 plus 3, that gives us 5, then divided by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. And again, we are going to consider exponents. We are going to express these two exponents here. We have here 5 minus 4 to the power of 2, that gives us 16, multiplied by 5, then divided by 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4, then multiplied by 3. And right here, following this order of operation, we are going to consider multiplication first. We are going to consider multiplication, and right here, we are going to have this. The expression becomes 5 minus 16 times 5, that will give us 80, then divided by 4, then multiplied by 3. And last or next order to be considered is division, because division is higher priority than multiplication right here. And we are going to have here 80 divided by 4, that should give us 20, and we have here 5 minus this, that will give us 20 multiplied by 3. And again, next we need to consider multiplication first before subtraction. Multiplication is higher priority than subtraction, and we're going to have here 5 minus 20 times 3, that will give us 60. Then lastly, subtraction, we have this 5 minus 60, that will give us minus 55. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And you already done that, thank you so much, and ensure to stay tuned for more videos from this channel. See you in the next video.